Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the best in beauty, trends, and top-tier product recommendations. If you're someone who loves indulging in quality makeup and discovering the best of the best, you're in the right place. Today, I'm bringing you something truly exciting, a countdown of the top 5 best eyeshadow palettes over $50. These palettes are all about luxury, color, and bringing out the best of your eye looks. Whether you're a makeup aficionado or just someone who loves a little shimmer and shine, this countdown is packed with options that could change the way you do your eyeshadow game. So, grab your brushes and get ready, because we're about to dive into some seriously stunning palettes. Let's get this countdown started. Coming in at number 5 in our top 5 best eyeshadow palettes over $50 countdown, the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk eyeshadow palette is a game changer for anyone who wants to effortlessly elevate their makeup routine. What if you could create stunning, versatile looks in just minutes, no matter the occasion? Whether you're heading to a big event or just want to enhance your everyday glam, this palette has you covered. With a mix of soft, romantic pinks, mauves, and rose golds, it's designed to take the guesswork out of creating flattering eye looks. The Pillow Talk eyeshadow palette offers easy-to-blend shades that glide on smoothly, ensuring you can create a seamless look without any hassle. Imagine transforming your eyelids into a soft, radiant canvas in a matter of moments. No complicated steps or fancy tools required. The versatility of this palette is unmatched. It's perfect for both beginners and makeup pros, offering shades that can go from natural day looks to sultry, bold evening styles. And the best part? The formula is designed to be long-lasting, so your eye makeup stays intact all day, even through long hours or a night out. Now here's a fun fact. Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk collection has become a cult favorite, adored by beauty enthusiasts worldwide. With its luxurious packaging and impeccable formula, this palette ranks among the top-tier products in the eyeshadow world. If you're ready to upgrade your eyeshadow game, the Pillow Talk eyeshadow palette might just be the must-have addition to your collection. Don't miss out on the chance to bring home this beauty. After all, who doesn't want a little bit of that iconic Pillow Talk glow? If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss another beauty update. Stay tuned, because the next product on our countdown is something you'll definitely want to see. At number 4 in our top 5 best eyeshadow palettes over $50 countdown, the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes eyeshadow palette is an absolute must-have for anyone who loves a flawless, versatile matte eye look. What if you could create the perfect matte eyeshadow look that flatters all skin tones with just a few easy steps? This palette gives you exactly that, with a selection of 12 rich, buildable shades that offer incredible depth and dimension. Whether you're looking for something soft and neutral or bold and dramatic, this palette has the perfect shade to complete your look. The formula is feather-light and super creamy, making it a dream to apply. Expect minimal fallout and maximum payoff, so you can achieve a clean, professional-grade finish every time. These eyeshadows are crafted with the highest quality ingredients, ensuring a smooth, long-lasting finish that doesn't just look great, but feels amazing on the skin. One of the best things about this palette is its buildability. You can layer the shades to create a custom look that's as intense or subtle as you want it to be. Plus, the ultra-blendable formula makes it easy to seamlessly transition from one shade to the next, so your eyeshadow looks soft yet defined. With a formula that's gluten-free, paraben-free, and cruelty-free, you can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. This palette is perfect for anyone who wants to elevate their makeup routine while keeping it simple, elegant, and versatile. If you're ready to invest in a palette that delivers on performance, luxury, and ease of use, the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes is one you won't want to miss. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more product reviews like this one, and stay tuned because we've got the top 3 products coming up next. At number 3 in our top 5 best eyeshadow palettes over $50 countdown, the Viseart Paris Petite Pro Luxe eyeshadow palette is a game changer for anyone who loves high-performance eyeshadows that offer both luxury and versatility. What if you could create endless eye looks with just one palette? This compact beauty offers a mix of cool matte shades that are not only stunning but incredibly blendable, allowing you to personalize your makeup routine with ease. Whether you're crafting a soft daytime look or a bold, smoky eye, these shades have you covered. The Visart Paris Petite Pro Luxe palette is known for its exceptional pigmentation. The shadows glide on smoothly and deliver rich, even color that lasts all day. Forget about having to constantly touch up. These eyeshadows hold their ground, giving you a flawless finish with minimal effort. What sets this palette apart is the way the colors complement each other. You can easily mix and match the shades to create looks that range from subtle to dramatic, all with a seamless blend that's effortless to achieve. No harsh lines, no uneven patches, just pure professional-grade application every time. It's also formulated to be long-lasting, making sure your eye look stays vibrant from morning to night without creasing or fading. With the Viseart Paris Petite Pro Luxe, you're not just getting a palette, you're getting a luxurious, high-quality tool that makes makeup artistry feel simple and accessible. If you're looking for a high-end, versatile palette that combines ease, performance, and luxury, this is the one to add to your collection. And if you love what you've seen here, don't forget to hit subscribe for more expert beauty tips and reviews. Stay tuned for the top 2 picks in our countdown. Are you loving the countdown of the top 5 best eyeshadow palettes over $50? Well, don't just stare. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss a stunning moment. At number 2, in our top 5 best eyeshadow palettes over $50 countdown, we have the iconic Pat McGrath Labs Mothership plus Intensifies duo in X Moonlit Seduction. If you're a makeup lover who craves luxurious, high-impact eye looks, this duo is exactly what you need. What if you could effortlessly elevate your eye makeup to couture-level glam? This duo combines the renowned Mothership eye palette in X Moonlit Seduction with the Intensifies Artistry Wand, a game-changing tool designed to boost the vibrancy and longevity of your shadows. The Mothership palette features an exquisite range of rich, metallic, and shimmering shades that glide on like silk. But the real magic happens when you use the Intensifies Artistry Wand. This unique formula transforms your eye makeup, turning metallic and shimmer shadows into bold, dazzling statements that truly pop. It's more than just a mixing liquid. It's a versatile pen that helps you layer your shadows seamlessly for that perfect, smooth finish. With its clear, hydrating formula, the Intensifies Artistry Wand not only amplifies the color, but also ensures your shadows adhere flawlessly, making your eye look last longer without fading. Whether you're using it as a base or layering it with your favorite hues, this duo is perfect for achieving those next-level, intense eye looks that are sure to turn heads. Ready to upgrade your makeup game? If you want to experience the same kind of expert artistry that makeup artists rely on, this is the duo you can't miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more expert tips and to find out which palette takes the top spot in our countdown. At number 1 in our top 5 best eyeshadow palettes over $50 countdown, we have the stunning Pat McGrath Labs Mothership IX eyeshadow palette in Huetopian Dream. This palette isn't just another eyeshadow set, it's a game changer in the world of high-end makeup. What if you could create an eye-catching, versatile look with just one palette? With Huetopian Dream, you can. This palette features 10 mesmerizing shades, each with a shimmering finish that adds a touch of glamour and luxury to your eye makeup. Whether you're looking for a soft daytime glow or a bold evening look, this palette has you covered. Its blendable formula ensures that each shadow seamlessly glides on your skin, allowing for effortless blending and an ultra-smooth finish. Plus, it's designed to enhance your natural eye color with its light coverage, making it perfect for those who want a subtle yet radiant look. And the best part? It's unisex. Ideal for anyone who loves to experiment with color and wants to create personalized, show-stopping eye looks. What's not to love? If you're ready to elevate your makeup game and indulge in top-tier luxury, the Mothership IX eyeshadow palette is a must-have. Want to learn more tips and tricks to make the most of your palette? Make sure to subscribe, and let's dive into the world of beauty together. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the top 5 best eyeshadow palettes over $50. To stay updated on all the latest bestsellers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Also, be sure to check the pinned comment for links to all the amazing products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.